The Dominican Republic is a Caribbean country with an area of 48,730 kilometers square. It has a population of 8.6 million, where about 29% of the people live under the poverty line. Tourism is the fastest growing sector in the Dominican Republic. It comprises 13% of the GDP. It employs more than 772,000 people. Tourism depends to a great extent on the quality of water resources and the coastal environment. However, the tourism industry is threatened by some major environmental problems. The major environmental problem is the overall poor quality of surface, groundwater, and coastal water resources, which is the result of the lack of wastewater management and agricultural runoff. This is causing health problems that are mainly affecting poor people. Over 40% of the people in the rural areas do not have access to sanitization or public water supply. Over than 67% of the Dominicans drink bottled water to avoid diseases. Seawater intrusion and salinization are the major environmental problems affecting the coastal areas. The overall lack of solid waste management pollutes water sources, causes diseases, and is a nuisance for inhabitants as well as visitors. It also causes the degradation of coastal ecosystems. Trash can be seen in piles all over Punta Cana. Residents have no faith in the local government collecting trash, and therefore they dispose it anywhere they want. The weak watershed management has led to the increase of occurrence of soil erosion and amplified the damage and the frequency of flooding. Water scarcity is a regional problem resulting from poor demand management in irrigation, urban water supply, and tourist infrastructure in various regions. What clearly illustrates the water mismanagement in the Dominican Republic is the total water use efficiency throughout the country, which has been estimated to be extremely low rate of 18 to 25%. The irrigation sector has the highest water demand. It's about 7,340 million cubic meter per year, which is 82% of the total demand. The poor maintenance of the existing infrastructure and the predominance of the gravity and surface irrigation systems are the main causes for the low irrigation efficiency. Thus, the needs in the irrigation sector are related to improving efficiency, productivity, and organizational aspects. Water resources management in the Dominican Republic faces major challenges today, in particular in terms of water quality, quantity, and watershed management. An effective solution towards solving the water quality and supply is a rational utilization and sustainable water resources management and pollution prevention. The design and implementation of solid waste and wastewater management plan is crucial. Agrochemicals use should be controlled, and high-efficiency irrigation technologies should be used. Finally, it's evident that a permanent quality control of water resources is needed. Many USA partners have worked on different environmental and development projects in the past in the Dominican Republic, such as USDA, USAID, as well as many U.S. universities such as Penn State, Virginia Tech, and Maine University. They have provided knowledge, technical assistance, expertise, and funds to the Dominicans in order to overcome the environmental issues. Finally, considering that the irrigation is the main cause of water inefficiency, INTAD students might help in developing extension programs for farmers to adopt efficient and water-consuming irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation. The Dominican Republic trip will be a great opportunity for professional development, networking, and research.